So here is the app called MyTonWallet. Anyway, TonWallet. So let's just try this app to create a TonWallet. I personally use TonKeeper, which works for me perfectly. But this app is growing also in the charts. So as you can see, this is open source app, unlimited wallets, easily switch between your accounts, explore NFTs, monitor charts, manage tokens, discover Ton, receive and send Ton coin and other jetons, add encrypted messages to transactions, create invoices, save wallet addresses, connect your wallet to Ton-based services, connect your ledger. So then, yeah, you can just open it up and then securely store crypto. And then, so you can either import or create a wallet, and then you can just connect your Face ID. On the next screen, you will see some secret words. Write them down in the correct order and store in a secure place. They allow to open your wallet if you lose your password and access to this device. So if anybody else sees them. So then finally, you just have your Ton wallet created. Here it is. You can see then graphs, Ton coin. You can see how you can just scan the QR code of other, and then you can see language, assets, and then add, buy, send to someone, swap, earn. You can see obviously your address. If you tap on here, then there is like a tonscan.org. So yep, there you have it.